Hi everyone, welcome to our channel, your go-to place for tech tutorials. In today's video, I'll show you how to install VMware Workstation on Ubuntu 24.04 LTS. VMware Workstation is a powerful virtualization tool that lets you run multiple operating systems on your computer. Whether you're a developer, tester, or just tech-savvy, this guide will get you up and running in no time. Let's dive right in. VMware Workstation requires certain dependencies. Install them using the following command. Next, register a new Broadcom account. VMware Workstation is available for free download, installation, and personal use. However, you must have an active Broadcom support portal account in order to access the download. Enter your details here. After you are logged into the Broadcom support portal. From there, use the drop-down menu at the top right corner and select VMware Cloud Foundation. Click on My Downloads in the left-hand menu, then type Workstation in the search box to filter the results. Next, select VMware Workstation Pro from the options. Fill in the details and continue. Once downloaded, the installer file will usually have a bundle extension. Navigate to the folder where the bundle file is located and make the installer executable. Run the installer with root privileges. Once the installation is complete, launch VMware Workstation by searching for it in the Applications menu. If prompted, enter your license key or continue with the free version. And that's it. You've successfully installed VMware Workstation on Ubuntu 24.04 LTS. Now you can start creating and running virtual machines on your system. If this video helped you, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and hit the bell icon for more tech tutorials. See you in the next one.